Alright, good morning mga kaduks. It's day 2 at itong araw na to yung redemption day natin, hopefully. So ayan, nandito tayo sa Eco Nomad Homestay. Ito yung kanilang surroundings. So, dito tayo na tumira sa loob ng 2 araw. At kung gusto niyo pumunta dito mga kaduks, sa PM lang or comment lang sa vlog kung paano makapunta dito sa Camiguin. Dito rin na mag-accommodate sa inyo. Yan, Eco Homestay Camiguin. Tapos ipapasyal nila kayo guys kung mga, lalo na kung fishing trips, mga fishing trips, magandang mag-stay dito para maipasyal nila kayo sa mga good spots. Bilang na yung yan, yung Half Guitar Island na nasa harap, yung Pinon Island na nasa tabi niya, at iba pang mga magagandang fishing spot dito sa Camiguin. Ayan, napakaganda guys. Dito yung bonfire area. Pag nagbabanding-banding yung mga bisita dito, dito sila naglalatag ng tent, magdamag. So ito yung mga boatman natin ngayon, si Master Jackie. Good morning Master. Master Nelson, good morning. Sila yung magsisilbing guide natin sa pupuntahan nating spot. Hello bro. Good morning. Morning, good morning. Morning, good morning, good morning. Say hi to my vlog. Say hi to my vlog.
What's up mga kato?
Yan. A fish away. Literal na a fish away.
When we wake, hear the birds and see the sun. Side by side our fears are done. Oh, the good times just begun. We know what we have, let's hold on tight. Found what we're looking for in life. Call us crazy, but things are finally right. With you and I, the future is bright. You and I, we got it.
Not yet. Nakalakan.
Ay, GoPro mo na.
Can you retrieve it? Can you retrieve?
I know you.
Left-handed.
Yung nga barakuda dito, talong-itok.
Talong-itok.
Talong-itok dito.
Thank you Lord. Bro, power bro. On. That's good, drag. I saw it, bro. I saw it. Trevally. Crazy, man. That's crazy. Naalan. That's a big, bro. Big. GT? I mean, yeah. Kadagan som? Sakman tiguman so? Dagdag. Napinpit na. Deta latan. Deta. Sakman ti tumira?
Yay! May pang-ulam na!
Yay!
Mamaya makalagot yan.
Kaya ni kaya deta. Yan o. Woo!
Sakit na gadayo.
It doesn't feel so big,
Yeah.
but maybe it's swimming towards us.
I saw a while ago. I just filled the line. I just I don't know. Yan. Kairan on the move.
Huwag nilang malagot. Sayang tapan yung nga road.
Og nga rod, nagpintas oh.
Tanggig yung tikdingal.
Man.
Hindi naman magagbarakuda kang tanggig eh.
Napintas ti leader line naman kiti dito eh.
Awan uray.
Ano? Dito na pizza.
Basta dito gulpianan na.
Gulpiano na.
Ayaw na.
Dito nagtatadong ngipin na.
Are you okay? Still?
Yeah, man.
Nakad-braided ka na bitang ngipin.
Heavy?
Come on here. Bring here, my goodness.
Fine, man.
I'm Mr. Hook, man. I'm Mr. Hook. Yeah. I'm Mr. Hooker.
Babalindo mo blan.
Mabalinin. Come on, come on, come on, fight that dude. It's a banger, boy.
You can hear?
Banger, man. Big banger. Big banger.
Mama.
Oh, no. Is it there? Nah.
Hey, I don't trust you with the gun, bro.
No. You know, I'm Mr. Hooker, bro. I'm Mr. Hooker, bro.
Turn the boat. Can we turn the boat?
Where part? That's the best part, bro, because the propeller is there.
Just face that way. Okay, from behind.
This is our moment, bro. This is our moment.
You ready? Come here, man.
Yeah, I'm always ready, bro. I'll dive for it.
He's going.
Nah.
Too much.
Don't put to the propeller, bro.
Too much.
That's wild. That's crazy banger, bro. Woo! I'm here. I'm Mr. Hooker. Wow! GT, bro. GT.
Yeah, for sure. Come
Yeah.
here.
Okay, bro. I got you.
Turn the boat.
Not this side, bro. Not this side. No, we cannot turn the boat because the wind might pull it up, bro. No, not here. Not here. Not here. Ah, it's bluefin trevally.
Bluefin?
Bluefin, yeah.
The big bluefin.
A big bluefin, bro. A big bluefin, bro.
Okay, that's it.
Up! It went to the...
It's not so big. That's so strong.
No, I'm not going. I'm not going to use that, bro. I'm not Hooker. Woo!
Nice stuff.
That's barely good, man.
Oh, that's not coming out. Big ass hook.
Woo!
Nice one, bro.
Hold it, babe.
I thought it was banger.
So did I.
Yeah, that's a good sign. That's a good sign. Bring it in front.
Damn.
Nice game, nice game. Okay. Pulutan. No. So first spot natin to mga katuksat. Pupunta tayo mamaya sa kabila, sa Kairan spot. Dito muna tayo pansamantala. I-check natin itong paligid kasi parang itsura niya parang ang ganda-ganda mga katuks. Bro. Assist her. Just assist her. Oh yes. Woo! Thank you. Nice at san. Ipunduya jabangir kan oh. So ito yung risky sa part na to mga kadoks kasi titingnan nyo naman wild spot tong pupuntahan natin guys. So hopefully yan. Tatlo lang tayo na angler ngayon. So wala na tayong ibang hinihintay pa. Let's do this in the fishing. Alright, fish away. Where can we set up? On the
end.
Let's go.
How are you gonna carry all that, bro? You need to separate it.
I can't wait, bro. I can't wait. Yeah, my hands are shaking. Oh, they tangled.
It's so nice on the other side.
Where? Doon kayo nagpuan noon?
Oh yeah.
Sige lang.
Dito kami nakapunta talaga dito.
Kasi malakas noon.
Doon lang kami nasa kasi doon na may isda sa kanila.
Dito wala kayong napakagat.
Nakahuli ako ng maliit lang na tuna dito.
Tuna?
Oo, maliit.
Really? Wow. Wow. What a spot, bro. Nakabulbul na yung mga setup namin. Dinala natin lahat yung mga setup natin, mga katos. So heavy tayo. Heavy tayo ngayon. Hopefully hindi tayo mapagkaisahan ng mga...
Last time, babe, I was on that side. Now it's not connected anymore. Look, you can't go down there because
Because it's already high tide.
tide. But here it's gonna be a climb here.
Wow. Wow, bro. Look at that, man. Ang ganda, mga katoks. Can we set up here? It's hard for us to go back again if we can carry all things there. Yeah, bro. Just if ever, just our rod going there if ever, then the bags will remain here because mahirapan tayo dyan sa taas niya eh. Mamaya pagbalik natin mahirapan na naman tayo. Oh my god.
This was your idea.
Is this all we can catch them all? 2 at a time, bro. 2 at a time.
Babe, I will bring this bag or no? I'll bring this bag there.
Oh no, you don't need it. You should have left it on the boat.
Well, you made me bring this and wear it so that you're ready. That's what
I
you
don't
said.
know what stuff is in it.
Nagkabuhol-buhol na, mga katoks. So dapat pala hindi muna tayo naglagay dapat ng mga paper at pain dito. Wala eh, excited na eh. So eto, magtanggal tayo. We literally bring them all. We cannot
We couldn't. We had no choice.
Yeah.
Oh shit.
Let me get it. If we like Cavi, we have rod case and Brixie, and that's good. This one to the side,
So
this one to this. Okay, here we go, boys. Good luck, bro. Let's go for bangers.
do this.
Meow meow. No, it's not bangers. Bangers is for Brixie. Meow meow for us. Meow meow.
Slow.
Let's try, bro. I can't wait.
Okay. Watch out for the waves though.
Yeah, bro.
This whole spot is fucking crazy, man.
Yeah. You see that current over there?
Yeah. That's where all the bluefin are.
Yeah.
Last time, first cast,
Oh.
there's like 5 bluefin chasing the rope.
Woo! Fuck, let's go, bro. I'm trembling. Yeah. Come on! Let's do this. Guys, a fish away. Enjoy our fishing adventure. Woo! Woo! Yeah, also, Naomi. Enjoy our fishing adventure. Good luck. Let's do this together, guys. Ano? I'm waiting for you.
Which way are you gonna go?
Ano?
To the peak.
You will go there? I'll stay here. Let's do this. So I have 2 cast na. Hala, mga katoks, pasensya na kayo sa mga English Carabao ko. Pero legit guys, napakaganda ng spot. A fish away all for the glory of God. Pretty. What's that mean? Ring guide. No? All goods. na wild spot tapos unang bato wala pa rin kumakagat. Talagang mahalas pa rin yung unang bato. Sinumpa mga kadoks. Look at that boy. Look at that popper. Pag yan nakita na, you see that boy? Red yun ah. Red bass. May red bass. Red bass there. Meron humabol mga katuks. Red bass. Malaking red bass. Dito dyan, napart dyan lang sa baba. Aha. Hinihintay ko sila, baka mamaya malaglag sila eh. Kaya hindi ko masyadong iiwan sana. Bumulwak sa likod ng popper mga katuks. Kaso hindi tinutuluyan eh. Ang problema ng mga to, I saw but you don't want to bite bro. Don't want to bite. Dale! Ito yung mahirap na parte mga katuks. Huwag man sanang malaglag. Huwag tayo malaglag, bluefin trevally. Ayaw kong bumaba dyan. Di bale na lang. What? Huwag ka nang pumunta dito.
Give me your hand.
This crazy bluefin. Tara, dali. Thank you. Woo! Our first bluefin bro. Very thrilling.
Lucky it's not the mama.
Woo! Yeah, if it's the mama, it's hard to deadlift, bro. Pagkahirap-hirap na buhay, oh. Pero pagkasaya-saya, no? Masaya, kaso nakakatakot. Ako din natatakot ako, sanay ako sa ganyanan eh. Yan, na-trigger na sila. Yan, nakapagpa-trigger tayo. Possible. Sana sunod-sunod na to.
Sa ano na to? Sa end na siya kumain?
Oo, i-release mo yan.
Na-up na yung lure ko doon siya. Nag-ano siya?
Lumipad.
Oh. Kaya na-hook ko yung ano.
Ay, delikado pa man to.
Uy.
Napakadelik.
Ano? Pliers?
Walang eh.
Masarap ba yan?
Nope.
Ay,
Hindi ko na-enjoy yung karne na.
Ano yan?
Kuwan lang.
Parfish?
Hindi siya parfish. Ras. Surge ras. Sila yung mga nangunguna sa sibadan to eh.
Ano?
Sa magpagsibad. I-release ko na ha. Palitan mo ng bluefin boy. Or GT. Oh.
Said that Ross is not good eating.
Let's go to Kairan spot. Tananat. Welcome to Kairan spot mga kaduks. So nahango tong Kairan spot sa pangalan ni Master Kai. Dahil siya yung kauna-unahang humarbest dito ng bluefin trevallis. Kaya yan, nakuha na natin sa Kairan spot. Akin na yan para wala kang hawakan. Yung siya pinuntahan naman natin, Naomi spot yun, Naomi spot.
Go fast, bro. So you can grab the stuff.
Okay. Excuse me, bro. Excuse me, bro. It's a matter of training. Yeah, bro. They tangled over and over and over again. No stuff.
Yeah, I said fuck.
What? I might use this hook, bro. I might use this hook for live bait, bro. For live bait. Dito, igangot kong hanga may cut. So, napakadami naming setup. Parang mas madaming setup namin kasi mahuli na naman. Ito yung malaking problema namin. Paano kami makakatawid dito guys sa malakas yung current palabas, papasok, hindi namin alam. So meron naman mga maliliit dyan na isla-isla. Kaso pag naabutan tayo dyan sa gitna, mas delikado tayo kasi nag-whirlpool ba? So subukan kong languyin to mga katoks para itawid yung mga gamit namin one by one. Wag na. Tawid ko one by one mga katoks. So standby lang dyan. As to go to Kairan spot, we need to do this. You go first. I will tell you if we can go. That's good, bro. Yeah, good. All goods. Go. We made it. Don't put the things there.
Better for me.
Success mga kadogs, nasa spot na. Yeah, let's do this guys. Woo! In the name of fishing. You have a good mask, bro. You have a good goggles.
Your hooks are loose in your bag. Big ones.
Yeah, it's okay.
So maybe it's gonna fish your bag.
Ha!
We'll let the water in.
Set up lang kami mga kadogs, then let's go na.
Okay.
Sa mga ganitong uri ng adventure mga kadogs, talagang be prepare. At saka wag basta-basta mag panic kung sakali lang.
Don't do this at home.
Wag nyo kaming gagayahin talaga.
I need to check the food grade.
How are we gonna fish there, bro?
Just be careful, bro.
Crazy, man. Oh, shit.
Here we go again. We went here for nothing.
Bro, the waves are mad. Wow, you know.
Let's go.
It's gonna be like the other spot.
Brooksy, Kavi and Brixie cannot do this. Just on your camera, bro. Can you put it on a landscape? I'm going to get some footage to you. Yan na. Kagat na, ball! Giant? Is it giant? Just chill, bro. Oh my goodness, where? Is it big? Why you use the light, bro? The light tackle? Nah, man. Okay. That's good, that's okay, that's good. Positive, bro. No.
Dangerous here, bro.
Yeah, bro.
It's like 20 waves, no nothing, and then boom, over my head. Careful.
Yeah, bro. Sayang, naka-strike na si Master Carl. Sana hindi sila mabulabog mga katuks. Officially. So prepare muna tayo before tayo mag-lure. Dito na tayo guys, so let's do this. Let's do this together. Di ako nag-check ng drag. Hello. Sige. Ganyan na lang. Ay, fuck. Na. Woo. Fuck. Nabato niya. Bro. So gamit muna tayo ng lure mga katuks. Naisahan tayo agad eh. Tangay agad yung isang popper natin. So gamitin natin tong Master Vinmino dito. Tingnan natin kung may mga bluefin trevallis. Napakalat-kalat. Nga good size lang para hindi maunat. Tapos kung ayaw mag micro jigging tayo. Popper 35 grams guys. Gawa ko to mismo. Subukan natin dito. So habang naghihintay kami ng kagatan mga katuks, ito papakita ko sa inyo, alien. Linisan lang na ganyan. Kada ito yung outcome nyo. Maubos yung sili mo sa akin. Ha? Just refill it with vinegar.
Kasi yung lasa niyan.
Okay lang yan. Konti pa lang nabawas. Go. Go. Tawagin nyo ako kung sakaling may kagat. Magsigaw kayo, "Apish away!" Yan mga katoks, nalinis na. Kainin ko na to.
Ikaw.
Kainin ko yan. Ayan o, malinis na siya. Then parang ganito lang to mga katoks. Ito na lang o. Kay Master Naomi yan eh. Suka. Then sausaw. Yung kunat. Habang naghihintay kami ng kagat kasi may kagatan at dito may kagatan at may kagatan. Nope.
Last time, low tide.
High tide.
Ba't pagdating natin ng low tide yun?
Gabi na nun, di ba? Oh, gabi na mag-low tide. Tapos mas late ngayon, alas 7. Sana makauwi tayo kahit mga 2 or 3. Delikado tayo dyan sa daan. Iiyak ka sigurado. Ang sarap mga katuks. Ito nagkalaw pa lang. Nya intalaan sa Jejina. Tagisat ang gayang mamabantayan jalugan niya. Agsat pa gayon. Kain muna mga katuks. Tapos after natin mapabalik yung lakas natin, balik ulit tayo doon na magkas. Bale, susukalin lang natin. Sakaling may madali pa tayong bluefin mamaya. Ano makaod ng kabaytikan ba? Basta wala nang tragedy ka. At kumandan bigat dito eh. Yung nagbali baka na rin din At Kairan man! Woo! Power! One bait and wait dito. Dito yung sisibiyag na ikon. Live bait.
Mulmul!
Bro! Hook it up, bro! Talukito pa ito, chon. Wala madi, adadan. Adadan. Nakahuli mga katukso. So kagagaling lang natin kumain, pagbalik natin may nahuli na. Woo! Wait! Ganda, tatukmaan. Woo! Is it the bait and wait? Huh?
Straight away!
Micro jig. Yeah, that's good.
First cast.
Huh? Let's put here. We're thinking about you a while ago. Did you get the video, bro?
No.
No? You did the oven?
I couldn't, he was too strong. I couldn't put it over.
Okay. Oh.
Oh, shit.
Share.
Alright, man.
Ay, sorry. Sorry.
Sure you can't escape now?
Yeah, you can. So, tatatlo pa lang yung trabali na nahuli namin ngayong araw mga katoks. Parang mahina yung kagatan guys talaga. So, di ba matyaga yung mga kasama ko. Ayan sila oh. Dito lang muna tayo. Dito lang muna. Pagpahinga muna tayo dito. Tamang chill lang ba? Malakas-lakas pa eh. Malakas-lakas pa. Pag mag-low tide na mamaya, pwede na siguro. So hapon na mga katuks. Baka abutan tayo ng dilim pag magpa-late pa tayong uuwi dito. Tsaka na hindi stable yung ano, tubig guys. Parang palakas ng palakas. Oo, hindi natin alam. Baka may mangyari pang hindi maganda. Kaya sibat na tayo dito. Tingin muna tayo ng ibang spot dyan kung kaya pa. Ito yung risky na part mga katuks, yung pag-uwi natin. Imagine nyo, maabutan tayo ng nagdidilim na ulap na yan, oh.
Coral fish to.
Malaking pakol. Pakol. Trigger.
We got it. We don't need no more. Even in the hard times, you and I can weather any storm. Before I sleep, Hear the crickets, see the moon, side by side and through and